Short.
Short. Short and cool.
Yeah.
Now we are frosting. Or glittering.
Sparkling.
Sparkling.
How we call it sparkling?
Sparkling. Oh, you're barely even touching it. Oh, that's awesome! Sparkle!
And I have to do it real fast just to get it even. Okay, now we strip it.
Strip it! This is a man's favorite part. Oh. Yeah, I said that.
And I'm going to take the hair off.
Yeah, my page is in normally at least PG-13. I'm just joking. You take it out of the magic box. How do you make one of these at home? Go back to the number.
That comes over in here.
You can wear my mask if you need to. Oh, what's that?
Just when you clean.
Oh, okay. I know cleaner. You're gonna clean it before you take it out? Oh.
That will loosen up that stencil.
Oh.
We usually put it in hot water, and that takes the stencil right off. It deactivates the adhesives.
I would not have guessed that.
But without hot water, it's a little harder to do.
Well, let's make some tea.
I usually go take it up in the house and put it in the bathroom sink for about 30 seconds. But this will be.
If you need help, I got strong fingers-ish. I'm strong-ish. You know, strong-ish, smart-ish, talented-ish. I'm full of ish. Ish full. I'm ish full. Oh, at least laugh if you're on camera. Huh? That's better.
Good one.
There you go. Some people don't just get jokes.
Some people tell them and some people get them. And then there's other people that don't get either or tell them.
That would be me.
I can't forget Cynthia anymore.
And just remember, all the parts of this that you missed are trade secrets. We're not giving away his secrets.
Can't be do it all.
Mm-hmm. So if you try to do it at home and follow only these instructions, don't be disappointed when it doesn't show up exactly like it's supposed to. Because I'm not going to give away all the secrets. Then you won't come to him for, you know, glass work.
Yeah, that's it.
Exactly.
I usually use white vinyl, but I had brown on there. Just, I didn't want to take it off.
White, what? White of this?
Yeah, I usually use white. It's easier to see what I'm doing.
The brown's pretty dark. That doesn't make it easier?
No. The white is easiest. Easy. I've done it in red and green and blue. You know what I ought to do is cut you one out in blue the right way. I'll do that.
Cut one out in blue. Of these?
This design.
Cool. Then I can stick it on front of something.
Now the dangerous part about using a knife blade, it will scratch the glass if you do it wrong.
So make sure you are good with the X-Acto knife before trying that. Mm-hmm.
I don't like using. See, if I use
You need to be careful. You cut your finger.
if I use hot water, I can do it with my fingernail.
This is one of the coolest things I've seen in person. Trust me. Hopefully I got my face in camera. Otherwise that just looked weird. Look, there's somebody over your shoulder.
Don't make me nervous.
Calm down, don't drop it. That looks so cool. There you go. A picture I drew, etched in glass. Or not etched, sandblasted into
Carved.
glass. Carved. Sand carved. Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
Sand carved into glass. Like magic. It's beautiful.
Yep.
I think everybody should learn how to do this. There
That's
you go.
kind of dirty.
Oh, it's pretty.
Okay, let me clean her up good.
It's just your fingers. It's okay. You got brown things all over you.
Butterfly guts.
Butterfly guts. That's right. That glass cleaner foams up a lot more than my glass cleaner at home.
Yeah, you can't buy this stuff in the store. In fact, you have to order it. And you have to be a company. You have to have a company name or they won't even sell it to you.
So, that's right, because you're a company. You
did-
worked for a company.
I did have.
Let's put it against something dark. Let's see. There you go.
Or maybe something white.
No, white's not gonna work. Here, put it against you. Then you can see it against the brown. Oh, it's gorgeous.
You did it.
Drawn
That's
by
awesome.
Cynthia.
That is beautiful.
Art by Dwayne.